Good morning, all of you. Welcome back again to the chapter 11 Past Tense. In this video, we'll be reading about the past continuous tense. So, let's read about the past tense, past continuous tense in this video. The sentences which we had not checked in our last video, they all were written in past continuous tense. So, this tense is used to express an action continuing over a period of time in the past. The past continuous tense requires the use of helping verbs, was and were, and the ing form of verbs. So, let's read about some rule of making past continuous tense. With singular noun and pronouns, we always use was plus ing form of verb. For example, the dog was running and the chef was baking a cake. And with the plural form and with the plural nouns and pronouns, we always use were, that is the plural verb with ing form of the verb. For example, the dogs were running, the chefs were baking a cake. And with you, with second person, we always use plural form of verb with ing form of verb. Example, you were baking a cake. Now let's move on to the exercise, that is exercise E. Choose the correct options to complete these sentences. The first one is my mother. As you can see, my mother is a single person or a single subject we can say. So here we'll be choosing singular verb with helping verb. My mother was working and as an editor for few years ago. Second one is I, again a single person. So you will be choosing was with the single form of verb, helping verb, and single main verb with the ing form. I was cleaning my room yesterday. You were eating. As we have read, we always use plural form of verb with you. So we'll be choosing you were eating a pie when I came. Then the fourth one, the tourist. Plural nouns. So we have to choose plural form of verb were appreciating the beauty of the whole scenery. Fifth one, the children. Again plural form of verb. So we'll be choosing was were laughing. Plural verb with plural helping verb. The children were laughing at the antics of the clown. Sixth one, and the last one is no one means single person. Again, for single person, we have to always use single form of verb. No one was listening to speech. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is exercise F. Gina had gone trekking in Kausani. Help her to describe the beautiful scenes by filling in the verbs in the brackets in a simple past or past continuous tense. So let's do the first one. As I dash up the winding roads, I was amazed at the beautiful scenery surrounding me. I was going up the winding roads. So here I'll be using past continuous tense. The trees were white with snow and the mountains in the distance were looking splendid. So here again in the past continuous tense. So in this way, we can complete the rest of the fill-ups by using simple past or the past continuous tense according to the requirement. Now let's move to the exercise G, that is make sentences in the past continuous tense, means by using was plus verb as a helping verb with its main form of verb in ing form. So let's do the first one. The hint is given as Nakul iron clothes. So let's make a sentence now. Nakul was ironing clothes. Nakul was, as Nakul is a single person, so we'll be using single form of helping verb with its main verb by adding ing to it. Nakul was ironing clothes. So in this way, we have made the first sentences in a past continuous tense by using the words given, and in the same way you can do the rest of the sentences too. Now let's see the next exercise. Here we have to rewrite these sentences in the past continuous tense again as we done above. Let's do the first one. The guide took us around the monument. It's in a simple past tense. We have to convert the sentence in a past continuous tense. So here what we have to change is the guide was taking us around the monument. Took will become was taking, and it will be converted into past continuous tense. So in the same way, you can complete rest of the sentences. Now come to the next exercise. Here you have to read and put a tick mark in the correct boxes. The first one is Ahmed dashed to school at 7 o'clock yesterday morning. And the correct one is already done, that is was walking. Second one, the children dash a film at 8 o'clock yesterday morning. So the correct form of verb will be used as the children were watching, as the children are in a plural form. Third one, Sam dashes homework at 6 o'clock yesterday evening. And the correct option is wasn't doing. Fourth one is dash at 3 o'clock last Saturday afternoon. And the correct option is was Martha playing at 3 o'clock last Saturday afternoon? Yes, the correct option is was Martha playing at 3 o'clock last Saturday afternoon. Now come to the next exercise, and that is the last one. Look and write and use the past continuous. First one is already done. The hints are given such as Kim danced 3 o'clock yesterday, and the sentence is made like this. Kim was dancing at 3 o'clock yesterday. Then the next one is, the hints are Swain not play tennis 8 o'clock last Tuesday. The sentence can form in this way. Swain was not playing tennis at 8 o'clock last Tuesday. It can also be written in a question form by beginning the sentence with the helping verb was. For example, was Swain playing tennis at 8 o'clock last Tuesday? It's in a question form. Then answer would be like this. No, Swain was not playing tennis at 8 o'clock last Tuesday. So in the same way, you can make rest of the question and you can answer all of them. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.